Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make chicken noodle soup. Okay, I'm gonna put all the pieces of this hen, that the regular pieces I was telling you about. I'm putting all these in here. Even that part of the turkey wing. I'm gonna add some water and add my seasoning. I'm gonna let it cook. Turn the fire on. I'm gonna let this cook for about an hour and a half. Get some more water. I'm gonna put butter in here. Then I'm gonna put my seasoning. Get some more water. You're gonna fill your pot with water, so that when this make a broth, and you add your spaghetti noodles, it'll have a taste. And you have make sure you have enough water to add your noodles to it. That's what I'm trying to say, y'all. It'll be enough broth left, so you'll be able to add your noodles, and then you're gonna have to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Okay, add that the same time you add your noodles. But I will be back to show y'all. This is onion powder. I put an accent. This is adobo powder. This adobo seasoning. Y'all, I'm messing everything up today. Excuse me. And black pepper. Okay, I got about, how much butter I put in there? About 3 tablespoons of butter. That should be enough. Okay, we're going to put the lid on. And I'm going to let that cook slowly, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, we're back. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take out the pieces that I don't want in here. Now this is called a struggle meal here. You say you eat every part of your hen or turkey, whichever one. You don't throw away anything. I think I'm gonna let the bone stay on in here. And I'm add the noodles and eat it out like that. It seems like they're so flavorful. I'm gonna go ahead and add a can of cream of chicken soup. Get a spoon. was gonna take that meat out, y'all, until I looked at it and looked it so good. I'm gonna let this stay on in here and just eat it along with the noodles. Okay, got a box of spaghetti noodles. I'm gonna put in here. I'm not gonna put the whole box, just half. I'm not gonna break my noodles, I like them whole. Okay, that's all I'm gonna put in. Let that cook on down. I'll put the top back on in a minute. Cooking real good. Got it looking. Y'all left all these pieces in here, bones in here with meat on it. I didn't debone it because I wanted all that flavor. And then I could eat the meat myself along with the noodles. I'm gonna turn it down some. Okay. Okay, y'all, it's ready. I'm gonna fix up some soup. I don't have the right thing to get it out with, but I'm seeing I use this. It turned out good. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste it. Y'all see it? Okay. Chicken and noodles. Need a spoon. Soup with y'all have made. Okay, give it a try. I need a fork to get up the noodles. It's good, y'all. It is real good. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And after watching this channel, you like it, give me a thumbs up, okay? And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.